Hi guys, welcome to iMobi channel. Have you bought a new phone in New Year sales and want to sell the old phone? Obviously, you don't want the next user to see your personal data, so you can choose to reset your iPhone. Tip 1. How to reset iPhone without a computer. You can wipe your iPhone content for a new user even if you don't have a computer, but you need to remember the screen passcode of your iPhone. Tap on the Settings app on your device and click on the General option. Scroll down and hit on the Reset option. Choose the Erase All Content and Settings option. Tap on the Continue option. Then you need to enter the lock screen passcode of your iPhone. After you entered, your phone will reset automatically. Wait a minute, you can set it up as a new phone. But if really have long time didn't use the old phone you want to sell, you can't remember the passcode of your iPhone. You must need to try Tip 2. Tip 2. How to reset iPhone without password. First, download any unlock on your computer. Launch it and click Unlock Screen Passcode on the home page, then click Start. Now, please connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. After that, select Download Path. Click on the Download button to download iOS firmware, and wait a minute. After the download is completed, please click Unlock Now to erase your iPhone. It will automatically start to remove your iPhone lock screen. Please don't disconnect your device from your computer. Now, you can access your iPhone easily. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any questions.